Today, I want to give you a brief tutorial on how to use SaneBox and show you why you would want SaneBox in the first place. SaneBox is an email management service that uses an AI to sort email and keep your inbox neat and orderly. This greatly improves your workflow. Everything that is important at that very moment in time will be in your inbox, and everything that isn't will be elsewhere. So the first thing that you want to do is sign up. Visit the SaneBox website and sign up for an account. You can choose a plan based on your needs, but I would recommend going for the 14-day free trial. You won't regret it. Step 2 would be to connect your email account. After signing up, this process may vary depending on your email provider, but generally, you'll need to grant permission for SaneBox to access your inbox and contacts. So once logged into SaneBox, you will have the option to choose which features you want. Mine is already set up. As you can see, I have only a few more days left in my free trial. So these are all the features I have active, and we are going to look at some of these features in action. So here we are in Gmail. Remember, this will look different depending on what email service you use. So you will notice I've got some labels on my left-hand side. So Sane Black Hole is our first. So just for the purpose of this video, I've taken these emails and placed them in Sane Black Hole. I've only placed the first mail in the Sane Black Hole. The rest, SaneBox automatically placed mail from that sender into Sane Black Hole. This keeps unwanted mail out of my inbox. Very useful. Sane Later again focuses on keeping the inbox clean. Mails deemed less important are moved to Sane Later instead of going directly to the inbox. Remember, you train the AI as to what belongs where. If you believe a certain sender doesn't belong in Sane Later, move it to another label and SaneBox will know for next time. Sane News. This keeps all news and digest mails in a separate folder. These are emails to go through at your own leisure and most definitely don't need to be in the main inbox. Snooze is a pretty cool feature. I just received a mail reminding me to eat 2 hot dogs in 2 minutes. That's only 2 days from now. I can right-click on a mail and hit snooze. I can choose from the set options or even select the date and time. Then SaneBox will send me the mail again at that set time. Sane No Replies will show you all the mail you've sent that never got a reply. It's useful in sales especially, reminding you to follow up with your clients. Sane Receipts. Well, it's where I keep my receipts, guys. So I know to check this regularly, as any invoices will be moved to this file instead of my inbox. And again, I have trained SaneBox as to what belongs in this folder. One that I haven't used is the Sane CC. This is where conversations you are CC'd into will go. This way, every mail you are CC'd in won't sit in your main inbox. So let's get back to the dashboard. What if you need a new label? One for a specific person or project? You can create one. When in the dashboard, head to Folders and hit DIY Custom Folders. Type in the name of the folder and hit Create. You will then find this label in Gmail. You can then start moving emails into this folder to train SaneBox as to what belongs in this folder. Not so much a part of the tutorial and more of a bit of information. For those of you worried about SaneBox reading your emails and having access to your private mail, rest easy. SaneBox uses an algorithm that detects patterns in your mailing. What gets responses, where and how fast and so forth. It does not read your email. There you have it, guys. The ability to create smart folders that declutter your mail is extremely useful. SaneBox will definitely pique the interest of the email enthusiast and make you wonder why these features aren't part of the stock email service. Note that there are still many more features SaneBox has to offer, so definitely give it a try. And for more tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.